Hey guys, what's going on? Matt here again. Today I'm going to go through stock history part two, the function in Excel to pull any stock information as far as the pricing and then the volume. So in part one, I showed you how to do a single date, and now I'm going to show you how to do a range of dates and some of the things that you can do and just how robust and easy it is to change the formula super quickly. So we're going to jump right in. I'll show you the table and thing that I kind of set up so that we can see information and process information quickly. This table right here, just want to enter a ticker symbol that we are looking for. We want to have a start date, an end date, and then I just have a count anything formula that counts the number of trading days that we're looking at, which will then help us kind of understand these formulas. Over here, I want to understand the average daily trading volume for a stock, and I can look at the past 10 days, past 20 days, past 90 days of what that average daily trading volume is. And then here, I just have the stock history criteria if you're kind of wondering the inputs that I'm doing. But if you watch my first video, I go through it a little bit slower. So here I'll kind of fly through it. So I'm going to do the stock history formula. I want to look at the stock ticker symbol that we're looking for, start date and end date. And then I want to see the daily prices. I do want headers, so I'm going to put a 1. And then I want to see the date, which is 0, the close, which is 1. And then let's look at the volume, which is 5. So I'm going to input those. I'm going to click enter. I'm going to get a value error because we don't have this information filled out. So now let's look at Amazon. So we're going to input the Amazon ticker symbol and then the start date. Let's do first thing this year. So January 1st, 2023. And then the end date. I want to see the most recent information. So I'm going to do the end date. And then I'm going to do -1 because the stock history function only pulls data from the previous day. It doesn't have today's data. So once I click enter, let's see, it might take a second, but boom, right there, it brings up all the information from the past 236 trading days. And then over here, I already built this table where I can see a summary of the 10 average daily trading or past 10 days for average daily trading volume to 20 to 90. And then I can change those super fast. And right there, we see, okay, Amazon's usually trading around 50 million shares each day the past 30, 60, and 90 days. And then if I want to jump over to another stock, it's this easy, that fast. I see Apple's around the same. We can look at Nikola. We look at Rivian, and then maybe like a biotech company that doesn't have as much volume. So you can see just how easy it is to be able to jump through and fly through all these stocks. This formula has saved me so much time. I've been able to do a lot of great projects at work to understand, how other companies are thinking about raising money, kind of the terms that other companies are working through with volume weighted average pricing, average daily trading volume. This formula just provides so much information, especially using this range capability and the ease of just changing stocks and companies so fast. So like and subscribe. I want to hear you guys' thoughts and comments in the comments. And then feel free to ask any questions. Looking to do more kind of useful functions that I found in Excel that might not be super well known.